Hi, this is Steve Nomura in Chicago. I'm on the way to my 202nd closing, and this property is in the south side, Washington Heights neighborhood. I'm buying this property as a short sale deal. I've been taking care of this for almost 4 months. The BPO came in the middle of August. Since then, we have been waiting for the approval letter, but the bank took a long time to give us approval letter. But anyway, today is a day that we can close the deal. Sarah is also very happy to get out of this pre-foreclosure situation, and then she can start a new life. And then maybe she can buy a new house in maybe 2 years from now on. But I'm gonna show you the closing situation, at the closing table. Also, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do with this property later on. Thank you. This is Kana. She's an agent. Okay, she brought this short sale to me, and we worked together for 4 months, and eventually we closed the deal together today. Okay, Kana, you want to share something? What kind of experience we had together?
Well, it was a good experience. This was my first official short sale. I gotta say, Mr. Steve, is that what I can call you?
Right.
Helped me out a great deal, considering I had never done a short sale before. But now I know what to do, like from the beginning to the end. So yeah, it was great.
All right. Thank you very much, Kana. It was very nice working with you for several months, and we eventually closed the deal together. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.
Check this out, Jonathan. This is number 202. This 202nd property.
Really?
Oh, wow. Well, you tell me you feel
Are you holding on to all of them, or?
I'm holding this is a 53rd
Okay.
rental property. I sold
So
many.
he does a thing every time he's got a number.
Right.
Nice.
Okay, we just finished the closing. This was very happy, smooth closing. Instead of saying everything, I said this is a short sale deal. Therefore, she has been going through such a difficult course for last several months, several years. Eventually, she was completely released from this kind of situation. She was so happy. She didn't come to the video, but she was saying so happy. Yeah, this was very happy closing. 202nd. Thank you very much. All right, we just finished the closing in the House Hills, and then we came to the property today. Okay, I'm standing in the dining room right now, and then I'm gonna explain to you briefly about our plan. Okay, we're gonna make a more detailed plan, but just now, okay, give you a very brief plan. Here in the dining room, we're gonna make a stairs to the second floor from here in the dining room. Okay, right now, the stairs to the second floor is from the kitchen side. We're gonna close the wall on the kitchen side, and we're gonna open this wall, entire wall here, and we're gonna start the stairs from here. Also, we're gonna change the width of the stairs to the basement too. And then living room, it's nice condition, but basically we're gonna install 8 recessed can lights. Okay, and then first floor mostly we have a hardwood floors. Therefore, we're gonna sand and finish hardwood floors. Okay. Okay, this is the kitchen. Okay, our plan is this. This is the second, this is the stairs to the second floor, but we're gonna close this wall. And then this is gonna be just for the kitchen, right? Then we're gonna install the refrigerator on this side. We're gonna take care of all kitchen cabinet and countertop. We're gonna install a new one with a 42-inch cabinet to the top, and new countertop. And this is gonna be the brand new kitchen. This is a finished basement. Actually, originally this was finished like over 10 years ago. But we find out the plumbing work is so terrible. Therefore, we're gonna correct out all plumbing issues. Also, we have to install the check valve on the top so the water doesn't come back. According to the previous owner, she was suffering water issues a lot. Sometimes water coming back just knee high. Then water was coming up to here. Therefore, maybe, we don't see it right now, but behind this wall, lots of mold. Therefore, we're gonna cut the wall up to here. We're gonna check all walls, and then we're gonna fix all water issues. Then we're gonna install the new installation. Then put the drywall back. Then we're gonna paint it. If you look at the baseboards, look at this. Because of the water issues, all baseboards are damaged. Okay? It seems water came back from this floor drain. Okay, there's a 2 floor drains. The water came back from this. So we're gonna install the check valve on the front of this basement. Okay. And then amazingly, there's no insulation. Maybe there's no insulation on the many wall, behind the walls. Yeah. Okay, here this is the furnace room and the hot water tank. Okay, this is also 10 years old, but the duct work is terrible. Therefore, we're going to take out all duct work and then we're going to install the new duct work from the basement to the first floor and second floor. All right, this is the second floor. Okay, the size-wise, this is good, but if you look at the wall ceilings, this is so old. We're going to take out all walls, all ceilings, and we're going to install the new dry walls. Okay, this is also carpet. Also, this is so dirty that we're going to take all carpet from the second floor. Then we're going to install vinyl planks. Recently, vinyl planks are so popular. Yeah, even in the kitchen bath, we're going to install vinyl planks. Then also, there's a water some damage. Therefore, we're going to check the singles, and then we're going to fix all this kind of water damage. And also, we have to change the several windows too.